Elsa missed the train. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between hills and valleys, lived a little girl named Elsa. Elsa was a curious girl, always eager to explore new things. One day, she decided to take the train to visit her aunt, who lived in a nearby town. She woke up, got dressed, and headed to the train station. As Elsa arrived at the station, she saw the train pulling away from the platform. She had missed the train. Elsa felt upset and disappointed. She had been looking forward to visiting her aunt for days, and now she had missed the train. Just then, the station master walked up to her and asked her what was wrong. Elsa told him about missing the train and how she was feeling sad. The station master smiled and said, "Don't worry, little one. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes sometimes. What's important is what we learn from them." Elsa looked up at the station master, puzzled. "What can I learn from missing the train?" she asked. "Well," said the station master, "you can learn to be more careful next time. You can learn to check the train schedule and make sure you're there on time. You can also learn to be patient and wait for the next train." Elsa thought about what the station master had said. He was right. She could learn from her mistake and be more careful next time. She decided to wait for the next train and make sure she was there on time. As Elsa waited, she watched the people coming and going, and she saw how they reacted when they missed the train. Some got angry and frustrated, while others shrugged it off and waited patiently for the next train. Finally, the next train arrived, and Elsa got on board. When Elsa reached her aunt's town, she told her all about missing the train and the lesson she had learned. Her aunt smiled and hugged her. "You're growing up to be a wise little girl," she said. From that day on, Elsa was more careful about being on time for the train. And every time she passed by the station, she remembered the station master's words and smiled. The end. Thank you for watching. See you on the next tale. Please like and subscribe. The sweetest dreams begin with Once Upon a Time for Kids, OUTK Egg.